how to use Wix SEO Wiz for better rankings. So I have in here my website, and if I want to actually know the ranking of this or the SEO of this, I just need to head over to SEO.ai, which is actually a checker for your ranking. So just enter in here your domain, and then from in there, just enter your country as well as the keywords you want to check. So for example, let's put in here store, since this is actually an e-commerce store. So in here, you just need to use in here a lot more, like for example, e-commerce and a lot for this case. Now from in there, click on this check ranking right here and have in here our domain. So just put in here your actual domain. This is my domain right here, and click on this check ranking. And then once you have done that, just answer this captcha right here. Now, as you can see, this will elapse some time. And if this is actually not found, then that means that this actual website or domain that you have is actually not recognizable and it has poor SEO. So let's head over here to our Wix. And then let's head over right here to our customer and leads. You can also head over right here to your site and mobile app. And you can see in here this website and SEO. Now from there, click on this SEO. Now this is our SEO Wiz. So let's head over and click on that, and you have in here SEO assistant that is actually from actual AI. And you can see that you have in here 5 issues. So click on this view task right here, and then it will show you this. So you will have access for SEO assistant if you have a premium plan. So you just need to figure out those 5 issues, and you should be able to see its performance on Google. So from in there, just head over and then just finish all of those tasks. You can also start this SEO setup checklist right here. And then you should be able to see the things that you need. Like for example, you need to set the homepage title. So let's head over and click on this get started first. And then just put in here your business or brand name in order to successfully connect this. So let's put in here our actual name, which is Sierra Store. And then from in there, just click on next. And then just put in here this right here if you actually is an online service or a physical service. Click on next in here again. And then you can get some keyword ideas using AI right here. So you can head over and click on this. And then this will generate keyword ideas for your actual website, wherein you can rank from them using the search engine optimization. So once you're done with the setup checklist, you should be able to have better rankings. So that's how you use Wix SEO Wiz for better rankings. Hope we helped.